Now, for those of you that keep defending this 30 amp thing, this just blew up a bunch of electronics because it's just passing through 24 volts now. Fuse didn't blow, nothing went wrong. It's killed a bunch of things. It's cost me money. Definitely not worth it. So yes, if you guys have been watching my original video about this thing, it's a load of crap, and we're going to make sure that this never breaks down again. Alright, now I can't accidentally forget that this thing destroyed things. Although I do want these things back, so we're going to nick that stuff off it. Probably the only useful bit of this whole thing is probably the fuse. So I'm not even going to diagnose why that went wrong, for obvious reasons. Bye bye. No longer part of my life. Alright, see you in another video when I get this one working.